it's Maxine at Fabricland. We've just launched our new cushion kit and I thought I'd just give you a quick overview on how to make it. We've got lots of designs on our website, but we've selected this Arcadia print. So in your kit comes the cushion pad, the zip, the thread and 1/2 metre of fabric, and as you can see the fabric covers the cushion, so you can see you've got plenty there to make what you need to make. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to cut yourself 2 45cm squares, okay, which I've done already. Okay, and then you're going to pop the zip in. Okay, so when you put a zip in, you've got to make sure that you try and put it up to the edge. I've actually pressed over 1.5 centimetres and then just put it against the zip, and I've tacked the zip in. Okay, so that works. Okay, then after doing that, you need to match your 2 right sides together and stitch around the other 3 sides. Okay, you can take your tacking stitches out as well, and then if we turn it the other way round, we will have our cushion cover. Okay, you can just take a little bit extra time to make sure your corners are all out properly, and then we're going to put the cushion pad in. We've used a 16-inch cushion pad. We do other size cushion pads, but we've done a 16-inch for the kit because it's a standard size. And your zip should just zip up. Okay, and there you go. You've got your cushion all made. We've got lots of designs on our website. Why not have a go?